Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to talk about penis, its average size and the factors which influence the size of it, and a natural home remedy for penis enlargement. Whether it's big, small, or just the right size, the penis carries a lot of weight when it comes to a person's confidence in their sexual ability. Most men said that they have concern about their penis size. Societal pressure and inaccurate portrayal in the media generate unrealistic expectations about penis size, which drive anxiety and dissatisfaction. Penis size generally does not affect sexual functioning, but those who are less satisfied with their penis size report more sexual health problems. Discomfort over penis size can therefore lead to relationship issues, low confidence, and erectile dysfunction. Those who are dissatisfied with their genital self image are more likely to feel uncomfortable to have others to look at their penis, including healthcare providers. By knowing what is the average size of penis can actually help prevent unrealistic expectations from creating these problems. The average length of an erect penis is 6 inches, while the average circumference, which is also known as girth, is 4 to 5 inches. A flaccid penis means the penis hangs soft, measures an average of 3.61 inches in length and 3.66 inches in girth. Penis size is not static, it may temporarily change with temperature. If a penis is exposed to cold temperatures, a flaccid penis may shrink in size. It's your body's reaction trying to protect the penis. Other factors like age will also result in the change of penis size. The size of the penis is influenced by the hormones during puberty, typically between the age of 10 to 14 years. The penis may grow until the age of 21 years. The person's height, foot size, age, and weight have little to do with their penis size. Penis pumps and vacuums, which draw blood into the penis to create an erection, create a stronger erection but do not increase the size. The size of the penis can affect a man's sexual experience and performance through psychology, since smaller penis sizes can result in low confidence. The person who thinks that they have small penis may not become properly erect during sexual activities and may prematurely ejaculate or lack of overall performance. Because of this, there is a stigma that surrounds that the smaller penis sizes are not performing as well as larger penis sizes. Now let us talk about the natural and Ayurvedic home remedy to increase the size of your penis. You need 3 ingredients to prepare the remedy. The first ingredient is 5 gram of Holarina pubescens. The second ingredient is 20 ml of pure buffalo milk, which should be enough to properly dip the Holarina pubescens. And third ingredient is 1 betel leaf. The images of the ingredients is right on your screen and you can also check the description for other names of the ingredients. To prepare the remedy, dip 5 gram of Holarina pubescens in 20 ml of pure buffalo milk in the morning and leave it for 12 to 15 hours. Do not use powdered or packaged milk. You have to use pure buffalo milk. Don't even add the water in it. Then after 12 to 15 hours, grind it to make a fine paste. Then gently apply the paste on the penis shaft, excluding the tip. Do not apply the paste on the tip. Then wrap the betel leaf on the penis, but do not cover the head or tip of the penis. Then properly wrap your penis in a cloth and leave it overnight. You have to wrap the cloth moderately. It should not be too tight or too loose. Then next day in the morning, wash your penis with warm water. Use this remedy for 30 to 40 days and you will see the considerable change in the size of your tool. This remedy is more effective on the girth of the penis than length. The effect will shown more on the girth and it will take time to increase the length. And avoid masturbation and watching porn while following this remedy. And more importantly, if you are suffering from Dhat syndrome or culture bound syndrome, means an involuntary discharge of semen without an erection or an orgasm, without any sexual activity, then do not follow this remedy. First, you have to treat your syndrome, then follow this remedy. Otherwise, this remedy will not work. If you still have questions or doubts in your mind regarding this remedy and other remedies which I have uploaded on my channel, then you can ask me on Instagram. I am happy to help. Alright guys, hope you like the remedy. Please share it with your friends also. And don't forget to share the experience of following this remedy in the comments. And I am always happy to welcome your suggestions and opinions. So do mention them also in comments. And for more natural and Ayurvedic home remedies, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further videos.